places in my life. Been on the grind.
I've been so many places. I've been so many places.
South side of Minneapolis to be exact.
Seen so many things.
When I say places, I'm not talking location. I'm talking places in your life that you must travel to make it. Mentality's different years, it made you who you are now. What made you finally mellow out? You reinvented your style. For instance, I remember when I used to be wild, heart with no brain, shit that I would never do now. Whether or not you wanna change, life isn't needing permission. Cause I'm gonna change your situation for good and bad's your decision. My vision's evolved, got my one show on the door. There was a time I would've told you eat a dick and get lost. But real bosses don't get emotional, it ruins your focus. I'd rather strategize a plan to kill you all with one dosage. I take advantage of the gift I was given. Cause homie, one thing is for sure, that never stopped me from spitting. World is full of vultures, never stopped me from getting it. Never stopped the end result, which is I'm dope and you listening. I've been in places feeling hopeless and visioning. Somebody should put me on it, probably be for their benefit. I've been in places where everybody is ignorant. Everybody there but me, familiar isn't it? You know, places like jail. You're like, what the hell am I doing here? And I wouldn't even be here if my best friend didn't tell. Yeah, I know. Yo, I've been in places where YGs get famous, bucking at the other side to let them know what they gang is. I've been in places where OGs speak language, conversating in the open, no one knows what they saying. I've been in places where two kings beat aces, when you finally realize you gambled in the wrong basement. I've been in places where your crew get raided, everybody get in charge but the player that's really making it. I've been in places where your homies really ain't shit. By the time you finding out it's too late and you caged and wild. Been in places people change with the weather, ain't seen partner in ages. Proud to say he looking fresh. Dog, he used to be banging, now we say it's a setup. Said it ain't about killing as much as living forever. Must admit I do feel him, that's what I speak in these letters. Cause it ain't about preaching, it's about teaching them better. I've been places. Yeah. I've been so many different places in my lifetime, man. I hope y'all ain't gotta go through what I went through, you know what I'm saying?
I've been so many places.
Trying to save y'all.
I've been so many places.